Hello everyone. ALEPH ZERO is a privacy-enhancing, proof-of-stake public blockchain with instant finality. Its enterprise-ready, high-performance network is built on a novel, directed acyclic graph (DAG)-based consensus protocol that has been peer-reviewed and presented at an ACM conference. ALEPH ZERO uses the DAG as an intermediary data structure, but can still be categorized as a blockchain. In this video, I will talk about the Azero coin itself, also do some chart analysis on the token, and in the end also give you price prediction for the Azero coin in 2022. But first, if you're new to the channel, welcome. So I do appreciate if you quickly like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And feel free to share this video with your friends afterwards, if you find the information in this video useful. Having said, let's get right into this topic. To date, ALEPH ZERO raised $15 million for continued development, integrating with the substrate stack, and expanding the team. Project has been initially bootstrapped by the founding team in early 2018 as well as friends and family through a pre-seed round. The seed round has been largely concluded by December 2020. Public pre-sale, community rounds and the public sale have all been concluded in 2021. The first version of the ALEPH ZERO mainnet went live on November 10, 2021. In 2022, ALEPH ZERO plans to enable privacy-enhancing features based on secure multi-party computation research (SMPC) and zero-knowledge proofs (ZKP). ALEPH ZERO is a part of Substrate Builders program. However, ALEPH ZERO is not a Polkadot parachain but a sovereign ecosystem. Azero is the native coin powering the ALEPH ZERO platform. The team working on ALEPH ZERO continues to grow and now consists of over 30 individuals contributing towards the network development and adoption. The list of previous accomplishments of the ALEPH ZERO team includes ACM ICPC World Finals, First Prize in International Mathematics Competition, or Simons Berkeley Research Fellowship. On the business front, our employees and contractors gained experience at prominent startups, scale-ups, and corporations. ALEPH ZERO to enable staking incentives in push for decentralization. ALEPH ZERO launches staking on its main net, offering between 10 and 20% APY on its native Azero coin in its quest to achieve a scalable and decentralized, permissionless public network. ZUG, Switzerland/Accesswire/April 26, 2022/ALEPH ZERO, an enterprise-ready, developer-friendly platform with a peer-reviewed directed acyclic graph (DAG)-based consensus protocol developed by a team of leading academics, today announces the launch of its staking program, poised to deliver between 10 and 20% APY for stackers of the network's native Azero. The launch of staking on the ALEPH ZERO mainnet comes as the first part in a series of upgrades to make the platform fully permissionless. In future releases, holders of ALEPH ZERO's native Azero coin have two ways of benefiting from the new staking program. Users can become network validators by locking up a minimum stake of 25,000 Azero coins. In doing so, they play a role in securing the network and validating consensus while receiving a portion of the newly produced coins from the block rewards proportional to their stake. Those who don't wish to become validators or lack the minimum staking requirements can delegate their holdings to validators and receive a portion of the block rewards proportional to their delegated stake. Validators are ranked according to their network uptime and the percentage of rewards they offer to their delegators. A total of 30 Azero will be generated yearly, with the majority of coins being distributed to validators and delegators. Of the 30 yearly inflation coins, 90% will be distributed to validators and delegators, while the remaining 10% will be added to the ALEPH ZERO Ecosystem Fund. The Ecosystem Fund will initially be used in the general maintenance of the blockchain's infrastructure and to deliver grants and funding support to products and projects related to ALEPH ZERO. Antoni Zalciak, co-founder of ALEPH ZERO, said, "The launch of a secure staking program on the ALEPH ZERO mainnet marks a significant step in building a comprehensive fintech ecosystem on top of cutting-edge, secure technology." Azero coin holders can now earn rewards according to their means, while knowing they're playing a part in maintaining the integrity of the ALEPH ZERO network in an environmentally friendly manner. ALEPH ZERO's proof-of-stake implementation is an environmentally friendly alternative to conventional blockchains. Incurring less than a fraction of the energy requirements, POS chains like ALEPH ZERO enable holders to lock up their coins for a set period of time and receive staking rewards in return. Aleph Zero recently raised $15 million in funding from such Web3 industry investors as JUN Capital, Cryptid, GenBlock Capital, Petrock Capital, Block 54, Black Dragon, Block Unify, Megala Ventures, Turing Research, and Supernova, among others. Individual investors such as Yuri Van Gielen, former managing partner APAC at PRYSM Group, Gordon Chung, a partner at Epic Capital Healthcare, and Michael Guzik, CEO of CLST, a former partner at Blockchain Valley Ventures, also took part in the raise. Aleph Zero, Azero, price prediction. According to our current Aleph Zero price prediction, the value of Aleph Zero is predicted to drop by -3.76% and reach $0.624748 by July 10, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 14, extreme fear. Aleph Zero recorded December 30th, 40%, green days with 15.43% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Aleph Zero forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Aleph Zero. Popular Azero moving averages and oscillators 2022. Moving averages are a popular indicator in all financial markets. The purpose of a moving average, MA, is to smooth price action over a certain amount of time. Moving averages are a lagging indicator, which means they are based on previous price action. In the table below you can find two types of moving averages, simple moving average, SMA, and exponential moving average, EMA. Aleph Zero oscillators. An oscillator is a technical analysis tool that constructs high and low bands between two extreme values, and then builds a trend indicator that fluctuates within these bounds. Traders use the trend indicator to discover short-term overbought or oversold conditions. Aleph Zero traders use a variety of tools to try and determine the direction in which the Azero market is likely to head next. These tools can roughly be divided into indicators and chart patterns. When trying to predict the Aleph Zero price, traders also try to identify important support and resistance levels, which can give an indication of when a downtrend is likely to slow down and when an uptrend is likely to stall. Aleph Zero price prediction indicators. Moving averages are among the most popular Aleph Zero price prediction tools. As the name suggests, a moving average provides the average closing price for Azero over a selected time frame, which is divided into a number of periods of the same length. For example, a 12-day simple moving average for Azero is a sum of Azero's closing prices over the last 12 days, which is then divided by 12. In addition to the simple moving average, SMA, traders also use another type of moving average called the exponential moving average, EMA. The EMA gives more weight to more recent prices, and therefore reacts more quickly to recent price action. 50-day, 100-day and 200-day moving averages are among the most commonly used indicators in the crypto market to identify important resistance and support levels. If the Azero price moves above any of these averages, it is generally seen as a bullish sign for Aleph Zero. Conversely, a drop below an important moving average is usually a sign of weakness in the Azero market. Traders also like to use the RSI and Fibonacci retracement level indicators to try and ascertain the future direction of the Azero price. How to read Aleph Zero charts and predict price movements. Most traders use candlestick charts, as they provide more information than a simple line chart. Traders can view candlesticks that represent the price action of Aleph Zero with different granularity. For example, you could choose a 5-minute candlestick chart for extremely short-term price action or choose a weekly candlestick chart to identify long-term trends. 1-hour, 4-hour and 1-day candlestick charts are among the most popular. Let's use a 1-hour candlestick chart as an example of how this type of price chart gives us information about opening and closing prices. The chart is divided into candles that give us information about Aleph Zero's price action in 1-hour chunks. Each candlestick will display Azero's opening price, closing price, as well as the highest and lowest prices that Aleph Zero reached within the 1-hour period. It's also important to pay attention to the color of the candle. A green candle means that the closing price was higher than the opening price, while a red candle tells us the opposite. Some charts will use hollow and filled candlestick bodies instead of colors to represent the same thing. What affects the price of Aleph Zero? Just like with any other asset, the price action of Aleph Zero is driven by supply and demand. These dynamics can be influenced by fundamental events such as block reward halvings, hard forks or new protocol updates. Regulations, adoption by companies and governments, cryptocurrency exchange hacks, and other real-world events can also affect the price of Azero. The market capitalization of ALEPH ZERO can change significantly in a short period of time. When trying to make a ALEPH ZERO forecast, many traders also try to monitor the activity of Azero whales, which are entities and individuals that control large amounts of Azero. Since the ALEPH ZERO market is relatively small compared to traditional markets, whales can single-handedly have a big influence on ALEPH ZERO's price movements. Bullish and bearish price prediction patterns. Some traders try to identify candlestick patterns when making a cryptocurrency price prediction to try and get an edge over the competition. Some candlestick formations are seen as likely to forecast bullish price action, while others are seen as bearish. We predict future ALEPH ZERO price predictions / Azero forecast by applying deep artificial intelligence-assisted technical analysis on the past price data of ALEPH ZERO. We do our best to collect maximum historical data for the Azero coin, which include multiple parameters like past price, ALEPH ZERO market cap, ALEPH ZERO volume and few more. If you are looking to invest in digital cryptocurrencies and want good return on your investments, make sure to read our predictions. ALEPH ZERO Price Prediction 2022. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of Azero, in 2022 the price of ALEPH ZERO is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $1.42. The Azero price can reach a maximum level of $1.65 with the average trading price of $1.48. ALEPH ZERO Price Prediction 2025. The price of one ALEPH ZERO is expected to reach at a minimum level of $4.05 in 2025. The Azero price can reach a maximum level of $4.89 with the average price of $4.20 throughout 2025. Let me know what you think about Azero. And if you stick until the very end, thank you guys for watching. As always, I would appreciate a quick like and also if you subscribe to the channel if you like this content and want to see more of it. That is having said, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.